How to audio call in Zangi app. Are you guys facing issues to audio call on Zangi app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Zangi app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now click on the contact icon. Once you click on it, now select the person that you want to audio call. Now just simply tap on call icon. Once you tap on call icon, you'll be able to call or audio call the person. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna audio call on Zangi app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.